Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language on IMO application. So how to change language on IMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the app. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu. Next, tap the Language menu. Here, there are many language options for various countries. Select the language you want to change. Next, tap the check mark button here. So that's it, tutorial on how to change language on IMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.